course, I see it's a Rolex. That's
that good stuff.
Man.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
They just
rolling
41.
right here.
Yeah, this is nice,
So
man.
you got the
Okay,
card.
you
That's
got the
authentic.
card. It's a nice piece, man. Why are you selling it?
See, that's why. See, now you questions. It's not about why I'm selling it. It's about a good product and you give me money. That's the thing. I need 10,000.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, hey, I take it for 10,000.
No. Now, see, I need. It's worth way more. I just need 10,000.
I got to make some money on the buy too.
No.
right?
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Now, you see, I'm trying to be nice with you.
Okay,
You
I
feel
got
me?
you. All right,
Do you
listen,
feel?
calm down.
Okay,
calm
no,
down,
I'm calm. This is
Let go.
This is
Let go.
calm.
I got police right here.
Yeah,
if you want to, exactly. Yep. So you need to calm down, or we can't do business. Here, I'll be at 13,000 on a cash deal, and all I need is your ID, and I can close you out, or you can take your item and you can take it back with you. All right, sir. There's your ID. All right.
I appreciate you.
10,000 and 2,500 for 12,500. Understand? If you want the 500, ask the police officer for it. Okay? He's got it for you. Thank you very much. I appreciate
They
you
do
coming
good
in.
work.
Greet him on the say bye to him on the way
I
out.
sure will. 12.
Yep. Thank you so much.